Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Fit Yo with Eileen. Today we are going to be doing some reclining yoga stretches for our lower body. So you may want to have a stretch band handy for a hamstring stretch. Alright, let's get straight into it. So we begin by lying ourselves down on the mat. So gently lying myself down, making sure my hair is not obstructing. Alright, and first, let's do a couple rounds of breathing here, just to regulate our breathing and prepare ourselves. Just observe your breath here. You can close your eyes. Feel deep inhalations and complete exhalations, just slowing the mind down, regulating your breathing, calming the body and mind. So inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling completely. 2, 3, 4, 5. Few more breaths at your own pace. And few blinks, open up your eyes. Alright, so we're just going to go into a hamstring stretch here. So getting hold of that strap, or in my case, a stretch band, and bending your right knee, bringing it close to your chest. You want to put the band around the arch of your foot, and with an inhalation, stretch your right foot up. So this is quite a deep, intense stretch, trying to keep that leg straight. Now remember here, the leg doesn't have to be vertical. It can be further away from you, or the foot can be closer towards you. But wherever you are, the purpose is really to try to feel the hamstring, that muscle right the way down the back of your leg, stretching out. Now keeping that left leg active here while we stretch. So you're lengthening through the left leg as well. And finding that point, you can walk your hands closer to your foot here, stretch. Breathe wherever you are. 2 more deep breaths. Really just breathing into any part where you feel any resistance. And exhale, gently release, bending the right knee, releasing the right foot down onto the mat. Now bending your left knee towards your chest. Again, strap around the arch of your foot, and inhale, pushing your left foot up. So walk your hands to where you feel a comfortable stretch in the hamstrings. Right leg is active on the mat, lengthening through. So imagine that you're drawing your right kneecaps up. And now that left leg is stretching nicely as well. I feel that I can bring my left foot a little bit closer to me. And when you're breathing in this pose, opening up your chest. So when you open up your chest, your shoulder blades will be spread out nicely and evenly onto the mat. Breathe. One more time here, doing great. Stretching out the hamstrings. Inhale and exhale, bending the left knee, releasing the left foot. Let's get the strap out of the way. So that was the only pose that you need the strap for. And from here, let's go over to the quads, the front of our thighs. So I'm just going to roll over to my right side and gently prop your head up. And bending at the left knee, bringing that left foot up towards you, and finding your quad stretch here. You can lie your head down if that's more comfortable here. So resting your head on your right bicep. Otherwise, you can prop it up like I'm doing here. Your choice, your option. The purpose is to feel that stretch in the quad. So you're resting gently on the right hip here. elbow pointing back. Try not to let the elbow come out. Yeah, the left elbow. And holding your left foot in as close as you can towards your left bum. And hold, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release. Now I'm going to roll over to the other side. You will get a shot of my bum. I'm sorry about that, but anyway, let's lift the right foot up towards the bum and holding it there. Again, you can lie your head. I have hardly any space there. Onto your left bicep. But for me, I'm just going to prop my head up, whichever is more comfortable for you. So adjust yourself and stretching out here. 3, 2, and 1. Exhaling, release. I'm going to gently roll myself over to a reclined supine position here. And now let us go into our reclining butterfly pose, Supta Baddha Konasana. So bending your right knee up, left foot on the mat, and now just drop your right leg out to the side. Do the same on the left, bending the left knee up, and bring your soles of your feet to meet and drop that left knee out to the side, relaxing here. So your legs form like a diamond shape, and you're breathing here, really opening up the hips, feeling the stretch across your inner thighs. Breathe, lengthen through. And now if you've got space, might be nice if you can raise your hands up overhead, if that feels nice for you. Otherwise, stay here, hands either side of your body. You can even use your palms to gently press down on your thighs for a little bit of a deeper stretch, but don't force. You never force. Listening to your body. Another option also, if you find that it's a bit tiring for the knees, so you can place some cushions under the knees just to help you relax a little bit more in this very restorative posture. So inhale and exhale a couple more times. Breathing. And last time together here. Inhale, and when you exhale, bringing your knees up to meet. And this time, bring your knees to your chest. I want you to reach down to the soles of your feet if you can. So on the outside, catching all of your feet here. Bring it up a little bit. Raise your feet up towards the ceiling. And exhale. Bringing your knees out to the sides. So imagine that you're drawing your knees in towards your armpits. And using your core a little bit too. Using your fingers, pressing down on the soles of your feet. A little bit of resistance there. So you can really feel the stretch in the inner thighs. And releasing the tension in your lower back as well. You feel that it's quite nice here. You can hang out here, really feeling the stretch. Or you can rock a little bit from side to side. This is called your happy baby pose. Feeling your hips opening out. Really great. How are we doing? So again, option to rock side to side. Just massaging your lower back a little bit here. And when you're ready, come back to center. Just feeling that nice deep stretch here. Breathing. Enjoy. Relax. A couple more breaths here. Really breathing into your stretches. And inhale, exhale, bring your knees to meet. This time, lowering your feet down, just hugging your knees to your chest. And again, you can do a gentle side to side rock, releasing any tension in the lower back. And when you've finished, come back to center and gently releasing your legs. Releasing your hands, coming to your Shavasana. Heels facing each other, toes pointing out to the sides. Hands either side of your body hanging freely, and just relaxing your entire body onto the mat. Few deep breaths here. You can close your eyes once again, thanking and honoring your body, enjoying the experience of those stretches in your lower body, and hopefully there's less tension in the spine and lower body after that. Inhale, exhale, and you can stay there in Savasana for as long as you like, just relaxing yourself. But for me, I'm just going to bring myself up to a seated position. Thank you for joining me for this short practice today. I hope that helps. You can always leave me some comments, feedback in the comment section below. Until next time, happy practicing, champs. Bye!